Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the 500 internal server error in Microsoft Edge. This error usually happens due to corrupted cache, network issues, or temporary server problems. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Make sure cookies and other site data and cache images and files are selected. Set the time range to all time, then click Clear Now. After that, reset your network settings using Command Prompt. In the Windows search bar, type CMD and run it as administrator. In Command Prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns, then hit Enter. After that, type the next command displayed on the screen. Once that is done, click the Windows icon, click the power button, and restart your computer. Once your system restarts, open Microsoft Edge and try accessing the website again. Your error should now be fixed. That's it. We just learned how to fix the 500 internal server error in Microsoft Edge by clearing browser data and resetting network settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.